How's everybody doing tonight? We're very, very honored to be here, so thank you so much for letting us play for you. This song was my second single I released, and it is the name of my new album. I hope you like it. This song is called A Year Without Rain.
I think about you. With every breath I take, every minute, no matter what I do, our world is an empty place, like I've been wandering the desert for 1,000 days. Don't know if it's a mirage, but I always see your face. Baby, I'm missing you so much, and I'll be I'm in love. A day without you is like a year without a rain. I need you by my side, don't know how I'll survive. A day without you is like a year without The stars are burning, I hear your voice in my mind. Can't you hear me calling? My heart is yearning like the ocean that's running dry. You catch me, I'm falling. It's like the ground is crumbling underneath my feet. Won't you save me? There's gonna be a man soon. Won't you get back to me? So let this drought come to winning and make this desert flower again. I'm so glad you found